Hey YouTube, this is The Green Cabbie with Extreme Coupon Review. Today we have a review of something that is going to save you time. It's going to save you being able to rip up your fingers. You're not going to have to do that, and it's going to save you a lot of frustration. We were actually really excited to get our hands on this because we recently moved. I don't know if you've seen on some of our other channels, we recently have moved, and we had to reinstall our dryer vent. Yes. Now I don't know if you guys have ever installed a dryer vent, but it can be really frustrating and complicated. If you see here, we got a connector here, and then it goes to the wall. Okay. So we had a regular one, and the regular one we actually taped together. And today we're going to be reviewing the Juego de Ducto de Secadora Universal, or in English, because I don't speak Spanish, the Universal Dryer Duct Kit by GE. Now we're really excited about this because we have actually purchased several dryer ducts before where it just has the duct itself and then you have to try to get it on. What we loved about it is this one here actually had slits right there on the edges. It had a couple slits so that it easily fits onto where you need to put it on. So as opposed to trying to wrangle it down there and, you know, cutting up your fingers and stuff like that, it slides right on. And then it comes with an easy clamp to attach, and you just screw the clamp together. Now, this one also comes with two elbows. Now, this is one of the 90-degree elbows here. We didn't use the other one because we didn't need it. But this is great if you need to have an installation where your dryer duct's here and the dryer duct hole is up on the wall, or vice versa. And it gives you the opportunity to be able to direct it wherever you need to go without trying to kink it and causing a fire where, you know, you have the stuff that's actually getting caught in there and, you know, it burns up and burns your house down. That is bad. And so we really like this one. And what it comes with is it comes with two of the 90-degree angles. It comes with two of the brackets to tighten it up. And it has these easy tighten screws, which is super awesome. So we went ahead and attached this. It is a little bit more expensive. It runs about $20 to $25 depending on where you find it. So we really liked it because, yes, it was a little bit more expensive than the $10 to $15 you'll usually spend, but it saved us. The first time that I installed my dryer duct on this wonderful dryer, it took me about an hour and a half. I ended up putting a screw into it and putting duct tape around it. And my hands were all cut up. I don't know if you can see, but I cut up my hands previously. Not very fun. So this one here took me about 5 minutes to install. I got up, I jumped for joy, and I was super happy. So definitely a big thumbs up on the Universal Dryer Duct from GE, or the Juego de Ducto de Secadora Universal. Yes. So we definitely wanted to share this with you. You know, you might spend a little bit more money, but you have the opportunity to have more time, more freedom, and you won't get frustrated or cut up your hands. So definitely take a look at it. If you like this honest review, please give us a big thumbs up. Please favorite, please like, please tweet, please pin, throw it on Google Plus and Facebook, and please subscribe so that you can get to see all the different you know, reviews that we do for things that we get free, things that we get discounted, or things that will save you time and money. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.